Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your health goals with Lifetime Fitness, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying your specific health goals. Consider what you want to achieve, whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, improved endurance, or overall wellness. Research Lifetime Fitness to understand the services and facilities they offer. Visit their website and explore the variety of programs available, including personal training, group classes, and nutritional counseling. Sign up for a membership that fits your lifestyle and budget. Download the Lifetime Fitness app for easy access to schedules, workouts, and nutritional resources. Attend an orientation session at your local Lifetime Fitness to familiarize yourself with the facilities. Connect with a personal trainer to discuss your health goals in detail. Collaborate with your trainer to create a customized fitness plan tailored to your needs. Incorporate group classes into your routine for motivation and variety. Utilize nutritional services to align your diet with your fitness goals. Set realistic milestones and track your progress regularly through the app. Adjust your fitness plan based on your progress and feedback from your trainer. Participate in Lifetime Fitness challenges and events to stay engaged and motivated. Connect with others in the Lifetime community for support and accountability. Stay focused on your long-term goals while celebrating smaller achievements along the way. Remember that consistency is key to reaching your health goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.